Hare Krishna. So today is the sacred day of Gundicha Mandir Marjanam. We remember this pastime all 500 years back. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, along with all his associates, personally cleaned the whole temple of Gundicha and made it as pure as his own heart to invite Lord Jagannath. All the associates with Lord Chaitanya worked very hard to clean the whole temple, as you are seeing today, our devotees are cleaning. So we take inspiration from this pastime, just like Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cleaned the whole Gundicha temple to welcome Lord Jagannath. We should also clean our heart with sincere service, humility and devotion, and make our heart very pure to invite Lord Krishna to reside in our heart forever. So the way to clean our heart is chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.